Welcome to my YouTube channel. Straight to the board, we have biology, some jam likely questions in biology. Okay, so let's move to the board. Now, the first question says the hormone which regulates the amount of glucose in the blood is called A. Adrenaline, B. Auxin, C. Insulin, D. Thyroxine. Now, how do we get the answer? Just to remove the ones that are not part of it. Let me start with auxin. Auxin is a hormone found in plants, okay, majorly for plant growth. So this is out of it because it's not even involved with blood stuff, okay, so it's out of it. We have tyrosine. Tyrosine also called what? The T4. Now this T4 or the tyrosine is produced in the thyroid gland and majorly for what? Growth, development of what? The body. And also we have adrenaline. Adrenaline is also known as what? Epinephrine. It is called what? Epinephrine. You can call it epinephrine. Epinephrine. Now it is known for what? One thing, either for what? Flight or for what? Fight. So when somebody wants to fight, like this hormone steams up. And also if you want to run out of danger, this hormone steams up as well, or stimulates, okay? It's also called what? Epinephrine. Now it is also called what? Epinephrine. It's also called what? The fight or flight hormone. Okay, so the insulin is a hormone secreted by the beta cells of the pancreas. Now what it does primarily is to what? Maintain glucose in the blood and also what? Facilitate the uptake of glucose in the blood. So from these options, they said adrenaline, auxin, insulin, and thyroxine. The question says the hormone which regulates the amount of glucose, okay, in the blood is called what? The answer is what? Insulin. Okay. The next question says the hyphae of rhizopus is said to be non-septate because it dash A does not contain chlorophyll, 2 B has no crossword, C is vacuum, D stores oil globus. For time's sake, what is hyphae or what are hyphae? Hyphae is a structure. Hyphae are what? Thread-like structures, okay, that makes up the mycelium found in a fungus. Okay, so these hyphae are divided, okay, by what's it called? The septa, okay, the septa. So fungus or the hyphae can be classified as what? Septate and what? Septate hyphae. So now the non-septate hyphae do not have crossword. Why the septate have crossword? Now what does this crossword do? The crossword now what? Separates the mycelium what? Into separate what? Individuals. You understand? So from the option, it said the hyphae of rhizopus is said to be what? Non-septate because what? It does not contain chlorophyll, 2 no. B has no crossword. Okay, C is vacuum, and D was stores oil group. So the answer is what? Has no crossword. So the non means does not, okay. Septate does not have a crossword, okay. Instead, the cells inside us are actually long in let's say in shape, okay. So the next question says the vilus or vilus in the small intestine is significant because A, it assists in filtering undigested food, B, it increases surface area for digestion, C, assists in mixing digested food, D, increase the surface area of absorption. Now what is a vilus? The vilus is what? A significant part or an area found in the small intestine, okay. It is made up of microvilus. You have the word microvilus, okay. Now what it does majorly is to what? Is to absorb nutrients. What is, first of all, what is surface area? For instance, let me say you have bread. You want to eat bread. Now to make that bread to be more to make the bread to be broken down for easily digestion, what do? The teeth in your mouth would masticate the food, okay, but the enzyme that the phytalin inside there that helps to now break this food down. So that's, you're not, by chewing the food, you are creating surface area for what? Easy digestion. That's when you break it down. For instance, You have a piece of chalk, okay, and you want that chalk to dissolve faster. What do? You break them what into smaller particles. That's what you're doing by reducing what, expanding the surface area of that chalk to be what, dissolved by the water or the solvent per se. So what the microvillus does, or the villus in the small intestine, is to what, help to what, to increase the surface area for absorption. What is absorption? Absorption simply means what, obtaining the nutrients from that food you've eaten, okay, so you can have the energy to do work, okay. So what the villus does to what, help increase surface area for absorption, for what, uptake of nutrients to the blood, okay. So that's it. So the answer is what, to increase the surface area for absorption. Oh, thank you very much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe. I promise you, I'm going to make it up for you. Your JAMB this year, I promise you, you're going to score very high marks in your exam. And also, I'm going to show you the best, okay? Do it to subscribe. And bye for now. Bye. Thank you.